Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new here, my name is Mike Fixacardi, and this is my build series called From Wreck to Wonder, where I take a totaled car and I do exactly that. I take it from a complete wreck and make it nice and beautiful and wonderful again. So this is my 2022 Toyota 4Runner that I will be giving to my dad Fixacardi. This is how I got the car from Copart Salvage Auction. Clearly, it was in a very, very poor state, and I could not let this car be parted out because I like to put cars back on the road and rebuild them and show you guys how it's done while I learn as well, because rebuilding cars is new to me and I love to learn new lessons. The only way I learn is by actually getting my hands dirty and doing the work myself. As you can see here, the car came out beautiful. The whole front end of this car is brand new, as well as the rad support. We have beautiful factory Toyota paint matched all the way back to the rear passenger doors. This car came out immaculate. My dad is going to be so excited, and so will I when I get this on the road, because it is so comfortable and such a nice car. Beautiful dimensions, beautiful proportions, and a tried and true powertrain that Toyota's been using for a really long time. So, as I said, this has a brand new rad support, brand new headlights, grille, front bumper, sensors in the front, hood, as well as all brand new airbags in the car, as just about all of them have blown due to the accident, which is pretty typical with these Toyota 4Runners, but they are all replaced. Leather is beautiful, nice and soft and comfortable, and this car is incredible. I absolutely love it, and I can't be more proud of how it came out. With that being said, that's another build that's complete. I really enjoy doing this. It is a lot of fun, it's a lot of work, and it teaches me a ton of things that I never knew before. Soon I will release another video showing the entire build from start to finish, all in one shot, for those of you who missed it in the past. Otherwise, I advise you guys to check out my previous videos on this Toyota 4Runner rebuild, as well as my past rebuilds on my 2019 Subaru WRX and my 2018 Subaru STI. Two other builds that I am very proud of, and let me just say, I've come a long way in 1 year on this channel with 3 builds down. That being said, it's very expensive, so if you guys want to support me, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave comments down in the comments section. What do you think of this rebuild? Have you watched my previous videos? Are you going to stay tuned for other builds that I do in the future? All of that really helps to grow the channel, and I can't be happier with how far this channel has come in the past year since I started it. So I'm gonna pivot a little bit, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more work on my Subaru STI, as that car I absolutely love, and I'm not gonna be getting rid of it anytime soon. So I'm going to continue to modify it and make it my own, and you guys don't want to miss out on those episodes, so stay tuned for those as well. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.